Hi, my name is Wendy Weir, and I am the founder and owner of tea glasses company, Libre Tea. Glass on the inside, durable poly on the outside. I'm going to show you a number of uses. Today I have some beautiful loose tea. It's a nice white tea with some roses. So we just pop the tea right into the glass, and then we pop the water in there. And with this lovely filter that's built in, you can have your tea on the go, just like that. The next one that we have is I'm going to make you a little bit of a cool one. How about on a hot summer day, what about if we were to, well, we're going to have some ice, we're going to have some mint, and we're going to have some cucumbers all in there. And let's add some water. There we go. So the water is in, and we can pop the lid on. Take it on the go with us wherever we're going to be, and so easy to drink through the filter. The next one we're going to do is a black tea. And a black tea will make a little bit different than the green tea or the white tea that we just made. We'll fill it up first with hot water to about an inch within the top. Then what we're going to do is pop that filter right on there, because we've got some tea measured out, and we're going to pop the tea in there, we're going to put on the lid, and we're going to turn it upside down. And because of that filter, it's going to brew right on through. We'll come back a little later for that one. The next thing I want to show you is another cool drink. And the cool drink that we have for you is a lavender lemonade. And the lavender lemonade is using an essential oil. These are getting very popular with people, and certainly they are very tasty. The citrus, the lavender. There's a lemon that we're squeezing in. There's 3 chunks of lemon pieces. And there's a squirt of tea in there. Sorry, honey. And then we put these both on together because we're going to use it as a shaker. And it's going to get all the honey all the way through. And so you're going to have a beautiful taste. In the end of all of that, we're actually going to add a couple little drops of lavender oil and just give it a little swish around. The next thing we're going to do is another shaker one. Now I tell you, we're not going to have any kind of residue on the inside of these glasses because it is glass. So I am going to take some protein powder, which I've just popped right into there, and then I am going to take my water, and the water goes right here. And I got my lid, my filter, and we're going to shake it. Turn it upside down, get all the stuff off the bottom, give it another good shake, and you've got a protein shake on the go. No protein stink because there's no residue left on that glass, not like on plastic and on stainless. The next thing we're going to do is a matcha. We're going to fill this up, and this too is going to be within about an inch of the top. And then we're going to take matcha powder. And the matcha powder, it actually has ground up tea leaves in it. And so we pop the sieve on, or the filter on top, and then we add this right there. And we just sieve it right into it. We can add this, and away we go. Matcha can be drank hot or cold, and so it's a wonderful, wonderful antioxidant, very healthy drink. So there you go. And I think we'll be able to take that off and add some more in there, and nice frothy smooth matcha. So you have a number of different drinks that we've done, and the last thing that I wanted to show you is because we've come back to our black tea. So we flip our black tea up, and it's not quite done because we're just not quite with enough time for that. But meanwhile, you've got your tea leaves trapped here, and your tea is ready to drink there. So those are 6 different drinks that I've made you today. Thanks so much for watching. Wendy Weir with Libre Tea, durable Libre infusers for loose leaf, fruit infusions, herb infusions, and shakers on the go. Bye now.